Welcome to the advanced guide to Authorize net-hosted payment form, a secure and reliable way to accept payments online. This tutorial will walk you through the process of setting up and integrating the hosted payment form into your website. First, we need to understand the key concepts behind the hosted payment form. The hosted payment form is a secure payment page hosted by Authorize Net, where customers can enter their payment information. This eliminates the need for you to handle sensitive payment data, reducing your PCI compliance burden. To get started, you will need to create an account with Authorize Net and obtain an API login ID and transaction key. These credentials will be used to authenticate your requests to the Authorize Net server. Next, you will need to configure your payment form settings, including the payment methods you accept, the currency, and the language. Once you have configured your settings, you can generate the hosted payment form URL, which will be used to redirect your customers to the secure payment page. You can customize the payment form to match your brand, including the logo, colors, and layout. When a customer clicks the payment button on your website, they will be redirected to the hosted payment form, where they can enter their payment information. The payment information will be transmitted securely to the Authorize Net server, where it will be processed and a response will be sent back to your website. To handle the response, you will need to set up a relay response URL on your website, which will receive the response from Authorize Net. You can then use this response to update your website and confirm the payment. Best practices for using the hosted payment form include using a secure connection, such as HTTPS, to protect sensitive payment data. You should also ensure that your website is compliant with PCI regulations, and that you are using the latest version of the hosted payment form. In conclusion, the Authorize Net hosted payment form is a secure and reliable way to accept payments online. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can easily set up and integrate the hosted payment form into your website and start accepting payments from your customers. Remember to always follow best practices, such as using a secure connection and ensuring PCI compliance, to protect sensitive payment data and provide a secure payment experience for your customers.